For 5,000 pesos, anong English ng diskarte? Ano ang English ng diskarte?
Rocket.
Ano yan?
Rocket.
Rocket. For 5,000 pesos, anong English ng diskarte? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ano ang English ng diskarte? Higa.
Scatter.
Diskater. Diskarte. 3, 2, 1. Meron ka?
Meron.
Hindi mo alam English?
Mutan ka.
Ano ang English ng diskarte?
Ability? Ability.
Ability is... Tatago kayo dyan. For 5,000 pesos. Ano ang English ng diskarte?
Wait lang po.
3, 2, 1. Final lang. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Kuya, wait lang ko. Bibilang. Bibilang.
Hindi. May timer to.
Karte, wait lang.
3, 2, 1. Ano ang English ng diskarte?
Scatter. Parang nasa dulo na hindi naman.
3, 2, 1. Final. Ano ang English ng diskarte?
Scatter. Kala friend.
3, 2, 1.
Wait.
2, 1. 1, 2, 3.
5K yan, babe. Wait lang.
Final answer?
Anong clue? Clue. First letter. Wait lang, sir. 5K yan. Wala pa naman kayong pakain. Ano ba English nun?
3.
Wait lang, kuya.
Two.
Nanonood ako.
5,000 pesos! Ate, anong English ng strategy?
English na po yun eh.
Ay, patay tayo.
I watch on the TV. You are always, pretending beggar.
Yun, galing mo talaga. May tanong ako sa'yo. For 5,000 pesos.
Hindi nga.
Galingan mo, ha? Ano ang English ng diskarte?
Diskarte, ano ba yun?
5,
Hindi ko nasagot.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wala, no?
Final answer is...
Nakalimutan ko kasi. Hindi ka naman, hindi ka naman sagot.
Sayang. Parang binalikan kita kasi you're so happy eh.
Because I'm,
You know the answer
the
na?
first, yes. But it's okay. It's okay.
Ano yung
Because,
answer?
strategy.
Ginugol mo ba yan?
Hindi. Kasi ako masyado kong I'm just full of excitement when I saw you.
Oh, yeah?
Because when I saw you, I'm watching him. I know you. I saw it. I know you. Because I always watch YouTube.
Yeah.
Then, when I'm watching YouTube, then I saw, I know him. He's always helping poor people.
But you're not poor.
I'm not really poor.
Oh, good. So you don't need 5K.
If you are helping more, who needs your money?
So you don't need the 5K?
I need 5K also, but it's okay. I want, but if you are giving it to those people that who needs more.
But you got the answer right eh. Kahit wala sa oras. Kaya, kasi you have good vibes eh.
Ay, thank you. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Nice to meet you. If I having a rich like you, I can help you.